Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to design all of the M3 nuts that essentially hold our hydraulic arm together. So let's go ahead and get started. Come on up to File, and let's do a new design. Next thing we want to do now is change our document settings from inches now to millimeters since we're making a metric bolt. Go ahead and select OK. Let's go ahead now and start a sketch here on our XY plane. I'm going to zoom in, come down to Create. Let's select Polygon, and we're going to select Circumscribed Polygon. And we're going to drag out a polygon with 6 sides. Notice there's a 6 right there on the screen. Okay, and then we are going to set this distance here to be 2.6. And then we're going to zoom all the way in here. Okay, I'm going to use my vertical constraint here to line these up. And then I want to double check, make sure each side here hopefully is, okay, let's change that. Well, that's 2.6 millimeters. We want to make sure each side here now is roughly 3 millimeters. Okay, so we're good. Let's go ahead now and finish our sketch. And then we're going to extrude our polygon, hexagon here, out a distance of 2 millimeters. Select OK. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and start a sketch here on this surface. And since this is an M3 bolt, that means this whole diameter is, well, roughly, slightly larger actually, but roughly 3 millimeters in diameter. Okay, so go ahead and select Enter. Finish sketch. Go ahead and extrude this guy a distance of minus 2 millimeters. Select OK. Okay, so now we have our hole here. Now let's go ahead and create our thread. So come on over to Thread. Okay, click there. And it kind of notice it's like, oh, you have a hole that's 3 millimeters. You must want to make an M3 thread. So it kind of fills it in for us. Okay, go ahead and select OK. All right, and the last thing we need to do is throw some fillets on here. And we're also going to put them on our edges here. We're going to set the fillet length here to be 0.2 millimeters and select OK. All right, and finally the last thing, now that we're done, we want to come to Modify and we're going to give it a physical material. Okay, so go to Metal, go all the way down to Polished Stainless Steel. Keep going. There it is. And I'm going to go ahead and drag it over so it has a nice shiny, okay, cool appearance to it. I'm going to hit Close. And I'm going to come up here. Don't forget to save it. So I'm going to go to File, Save, and we're going to call it M3 Nut. That's it. Go ahead and select Save. That'll do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.